For decades, the idea of 3D printing lived primarily in the realm of science fiction. It seemed like a futuristic dream, the stuff of movies and books. We imagined machines that could create anything with just the push of a button. Today, that dream is a reality. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has rapidly moved from the fringes of technology to the forefront of innovation. It is no longer a futuristic fantasy, but a powerful tool used across a multitude of industries. The impact of 3D printing extends far beyond just creating physical objects. It is revolutionizing entire industries, from healthcare and aerospace to fashion and education. In medicine, 3D printing is being used to create custom prosthetics, surgical models, and even bioprinted tissues and organs. This technology is giving hope to patients around the world, offering personalized solutions and improving medical outcomes in unprecedented ways. Traditional manufacturing, while essential for mass production, often grapples with inherent limitations, especially concerning speed and cost. Industries such as automotive, aerospace, and heavy machinery, accustomed to large-scale production runs, often face lengthy lead times and substantial expenses. The creation of molds, essential for shaping components, can take weeks, even months, adding significant delays and costs to the manufacturing cycle. This delay can hinder innovation and increase the time it takes for new products to reach the market. One of the most revolutionary aspects of 3D printing is its ability to usher in a new era of customized manufacturing. This breaks free from the constraints of mass production, where identical products roll off assembly lines. 3D printing empowers manufacturers to cater to individual customer needs and preferences like never before. With 3D printing, each item can be tailored to the exact specifications of the user, creating products that are truly unique and personalized. This shift towards customization is particularly impactful in industries like healthcare, where personalized solutions are highly sought after. Take, for instance, the creation of prosthetic limbs. Traditionally, prosthetics were standardized, often ill-fitting, and uncomfortable for the user. 3D printing changes this by enabling the creation of prosthetics tailored to the individual's anatomy. This results in a more comfortable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing prosthetic. This level of customization extends beyond prosthetics to dental implants, hearing aids, and even custom surgical guides, revolutionizing how healthcare is delivered and experienced. Section 3. Rapid prototyping. Accelerating innovation. In the fast-paced world of product development, bringing an idea to market quickly and efficiently is crucial for success. Traditionally, prototyping, an integral stage in product development, involved lengthy and expensive processes. Creating a physical prototype often required outsourcing to specialized machine shops, leading to significant delays and costs, especially for complex designs. This delay could make or break a product's success in a competitive market where timing is everything. Section 1. Prosthetics and implants, a new lease on life. The medical field has always been at the forefront of adopting new technologies to improve patient care and outcomes. With 3D printing, medicine is undergoing a profound transformation, particularly in the realm of prosthetics and implants. This technology is providing hope and restoring mobility to countless individuals around the world who have lost limbs or suffer from debilitating conditions. What was once considered science fiction is now a reality, as 3D printing turns personalized, functional, and affordable prosthetics into a tangible solution. Traditional prosthetics, while serving a vital purpose, often come with limitations. They are typically standardized, requiring extensive adjustments to achieve a comfortable fit. This process can be time-consuming, expensive, and often results in a prosthetic that is bulky, heavy, and doesn't quite match the user's anatomy. For children, this problem is compounded as they quickly outgrow their prosthetics, leading to repeated fittings and adjustments. 3D printing addresses these challenges by offering a tailored approach to prosthetic design and manufacturing. Section 2. Surgical Planning and Education, Precision and Practice. Surgical procedures, especially those involving complex anatomies or delicate structures, demand the utmost precision and planning. Surgeons rely on their expertise, experience, and preoperative imaging to guide their hands during intricate procedures. 3D printing emerges as an invaluable tool in the operating room, offering surgeons a tangible, three-dimensional representation of the patient's anatomy, enabling them to visualize the surgical field like never before. This enhanced visualization translates into better surgical planning, reduced risks, and improved patient outcomes. Organ transplantation offers a life-saving solution for individuals with end-stage organ failure. However, the demand for organs far outstrips the supply, leading to long waiting lists and, sadly, many patients never receiving the life-saving transplant they desperately need. Three-dimensional bioprinting, an emerging field at the forefront of medical innovation, offers a glimmer of hope for these patients, holding the potential to revolutionize transplantation and usher in an era where organ availability is no longer a limiting factor. Bioprinting takes 3D printing to a whole new level by using living cells as ink to create functional tissues and organs. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop bioinks that mimic the complex composition and architecture of human organs. These bioinks, composed of cells, growth factors, and biomaterials, are precisely deposited layer by layer, guided by a digital blueprint to create three-dimensional tissue constructs. The construction industry, for centuries reliant on traditional brick-and-mortar methods, is on the cusp of a groundbreaking transformation thanks to the advent of 3D printing. Imagine houses, those fundamental units of human shelter, being erected not by hand, but by colossal 3D printers, meticulously layering concrete and other building materials with remarkable precision. This isn't a scene from a futuristic film. It's the unfolding reality of 3D printing's impact on architecture and construction. Traditional construction, while familiar, is often plagued by inefficiencies, high costs, and lengthy timelines. Three-dimensional printing offers a compelling alternative, promising to expedite the building process while minimizing expenses and environmental impact. For architects, 3D printing is akin to handing a sculptor an infinitely malleable material, freeing them from the limitations of conventional construction techniques and ushering in an era of unprecedented design freedom. Imagine conceiving of buildings that mimic the organic curves of nature, with flowing lines and complex geometries that defy traditional architectural norms. This is the promise of 3D printing in architecture, the ability to move beyond the constraints of right angles and straight lines and embrace a world of fluid, organic forms. With 3D printing, architects are no longer limited by the constraints of traditional building materials or the need for standardized components. They can design and create unique, customized building elements with complex shapes and intricate details that would be impossible to produce using conventional methods. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating buildings that are not only aesthetically stunning, but also highly functional and energy efficient. Imagine facades adorned with intricate patterns, walls that seamlessly transition into roofs, and interiors that challenge our very perception of space. Humanity's fascination with space exploration has always been accompanied by the daunting challenge of establishing a human presence beyond Earth. Transporting building materials to space is prohibitively expensive and logistically complex, making it imperative to find innovative solutions for creating habitats using in situ resources, the materials readily available on celestial bodies like the Moon and Mars. This is where 3D printing emerges as a game changer, offering the potential to revolutionize space exploration by enabling the construction of extraterrestrial habitats using lunar or Martian regolith, the loose, unconsolidated material covering the surface. Imagine landing a 3D printer on the surface of Mars, its robotic arms scooping up Martian regolith and transforming it, layer by layer, into a human habitat. This vision, once confined to the realm of science fiction, is now within the realm of possibility, thanks to advancements in 3D printing technology. The ability to utilize local resources for construction eliminates the need to transport massive amounts of material from Earth, significantly reducing costs and complexities associated with space missions. Fashion, a constantly evolving reflection of society, has always embraced new technologies and materials to push creative boundaries. 3D printing, with its ability to translate digital designs into physical garments and accessories, is ushering in a new era of personalized fashion, where clothing is tailored not just to your measurements, but also to your individual style, preferences, and even your body's unique movements. This personalized approach challenges the traditional fashion industry model of mass production, offering a glimpse into a future where clothing is as unique as the individual wearing it. Imagine walking into a boutique, not to browse through racks of pre-made garments, but to collaborate with a designer who creates a digital avatar of your body, capturing your exact measurements and proportions. This digital twin becomes the canvas for designing clothing that fits you perfectly, accentuating your best features and expressing your personal style. Want a dress with intricate lace patterns that would be impossible to create by hand? 3D printing makes it possible. Desire a jacket with customized pockets and closures that perfectly suit your needs? 3D printing can bring that vision to life. In the realm of footwear, where comfort, performance, and style converge, 3D printing is making significant strides, revolutionizing how shoes are designed, manufactured, and experienced. From elite athletes pushing the limits of human performance to everyday individuals seeking the perfect fit, 3D printing offers a tailored approach to footwear, enhancing comfort, support, and even athletic performance. Imagine slipping on a pair of running shoes that feel like they were sculpted specifically for your feet. No more breaking in period. No more blisters, just pure, customized comfort from the moment you lace them up. This is the promise of 3D printed footwear, where each shoe is designed based on a precise scan of the wearer's feet, taking into account their arch type, pressure points, and natural gait. This data-driven approach to footwear design ensures a perfect fit, reducing the risk of injuries and enhancing overall comfort. Section 3. Sustainable fashion. Designing for a better future. The fashion industry, while celebrated for its creativity and cultural impact, has also faced criticism for its environmental footprint. Traditional textile production methods often involve water-intensive processes, harmful chemicals, and generate significant waste. 3D printing emerges as a potential solution, offering a more sustainable approach to fashion that minimizes waste, reduces reliance on harmful chemicals, and promotes a more circular economy. One of the key advantages of 3D printing in fashion is its ability to produce garments on demand, eliminating the need for mass production and the associated waste of unsold inventory. With 3D printing, a garment is only created when it is ordered, ensuring that resources are used efficiently and waste is minimized. This on-demand manufacturing model also allows for greater customization, as designs can be easily modified to meet individual customer preferences without incurring significant additional costs. Section 1. 3D printed food, from concept to culinary reality. The thought of printing food might seem like a page ripped from a science fiction novel, a futuristic concept far removed from our kitchens and dining tables. Yet, 3D printing is steadily infiltrating the culinary world, transforming how we think about food production and consumption. No longer confined to the realm of imagination, 3D printed food is transitioning from a technological novelty into a culinary reality, promising personalized nutrition, intricate designs, and a world of culinary possibilities waiting to be explored. Imagine a world where instead of meticulously chopping vegetables or kneading dough, you simply insert cartridges filled with fresh ingredients into a sleek 3D printer. With a few taps on a touchscreen, you select a recipe, customize it to your liking, and moments later, a beautifully crafted dish emerges, ready to be savored. This isn't a scene from a futuristic movie. It's the tantalizing potential of 3D printed food, a culinary revolution brewing in kitchens and laboratories worldwide. Section 2. Ethical and sustainable food. Cultivating a new food landscape. As the global population continues to grow, so too does the demand for food, putting immense pressure on our planet's resources. Traditional animal agriculture, while a long-standing source of sustenance, comes with significant environmental impacts, contributing to deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and water pollution. 3D printing emerges as a potential solution, offering a pathway toward a more ethical and sustainable food system that reduces our reliance on conventional animal agriculture and minimizes our environmental footprint. One of the most promising applications of 3D printing in sustainable food production is the creation of plant-based meat alternatives. Companies like Redefine Meat, an Israeli startup, are leveraging 3D printing technology to develop plant-based meat products that mimic the taste, texture, and appearance of animal meat with remarkable accuracy. These plant-based alternatives, crafted from ingredients like pea protein, soy, and beetroot, offer a more sustainable and ethical alternative to traditional meat production. Section 3. Food production in space. Nourishing explorers beyond Earth. As humanity sets its sights on longer and more ambitious space missions, the challenge of providing astronauts with nutritious and palatable food takes on paramount importance. Transporting food to space is not only expensive, but also limited by weight and volume constraints. 3D printing offers a compelling solution, holding the potential to revolutionize food production in space by enabling astronauts to create fresh, customized meals on demand, utilizing minimal resources and reducing reliance on pre-packaged food supplies from Earth. Imagine astronauts on a multi-year mission to Mars, craving a taste of home. Instead of relying solely on pre-packaged meals, they step into a compact, self-contained 3D food printing unit. Inside, cartridges filled with shelf-stable ingredients, such as powdered proteins, dehydrated vegetables, and micronutrient blends, await transformation. The astronauts select a recipe, perhaps a comforting bowl of pasta or a celebratory pizza, and initiate the printing process. Section 1. Educational tools and models. Fostering deeper understanding. Education, the cornerstone of progress, has always sought innovative tools and methods to ignite curiosity and foster a deeper understanding of complex concepts. 3D printing, with its ability to transform digital models into tangible objects, has emerged as a powerful tool in the classroom, revolutionizing how students learn and interact with the world around them. From intricate anatomical structures to historical artifacts and complex mathematical models, 3D printing brings learning to life, making it more engaging, interactive, and accessible for students of all ages. Imagine a biology class where students, instead of passively observing diagrams in textbooks, can hold a 3D printed model of a human heart in their hands. They can examine its chambers, valves, and blood vessels, rotating it in their hands, dissecting it virtually, and gaining a tangible understanding of its intricate workings. This ability to visualize and interact with complex anatomical structures in 3 dimensions enhances spatial reasoning, deepens comprehension, and makes learning anatomy a more engaging and memorable experience. Section 2. Art and creativity. Unleashing artistic visions. Art, a timeless expression of human creativity, has always embraced new tools and technologies to push the boundaries of what's possible. From the invention of paint and canvas to the advent of photography and digital art, each technological leap has ushered in new artistic movements, styles, and forms of expression. 3D printing, with its ability to transform digital sculptures into physical form, is igniting a new era of artistic exploration, empowering artists to transcend traditional limitations and bring their creative visions to life with unprecedented precision and intricacy. Imagine an artist, no longer bound by the constraints of carving stone or molding clay, but free to sculpt virtual forms with digital precision, adding and subtracting material with the click of a mouse. This is the allure of 3D printing for artists, a digital canvas where imagination knows no bounds. Intricate sculptures, impossible to create by hand, emerge from the 3D printer, layer by layer, capturing the artist's vision with remarkable detail and fidelity. Section 3. Design and prototyping. From concept to tangible form. In the fast-paced world of design, where innovation is paramount and time to market is critical, three-dimensional printing has emerged as an indispensable tool, bridging the gap between concept and creation. No longer relegated to prototyping labs, three-dimensional printing is finding its way onto the desks of designers across industries, from product design and architecture to fashion and automotive engineering. This technology empowers designers to rapidly iterate on ideas, test different concepts, and hold tangible representations of their designs in their hands, streamlining the design process and accelerating the path from inspiration to realization. Imagine a product designer sketching out ideas for a new ergonomic computer mouse. Instead of relying on sketches and computer renderings, they can quickly create a three-dimensional printed prototype, testing different shapes, sizes, and button placements. This ability to hold a physical representation of the design in their hands allows designers to evaluate its ergonomics, aesthetics, and functionality in a tangible way, gathering valuable feedback early in the design process. Section 1. A revolution unfolding. As we've journeyed through the diverse applications of three-dimensional printing, from the factory floor to the frontiers of space, one resounding truth emerges. This technology is not merely an incremental step forward, but a profound leap, a revolution unfolding before our very eyes. What was once relegated to the realm of science fiction, a fantastical notion of machines building objects layer by layer, has now taken root in reality, transforming industries, empowering individuals, and reshaping the very fabric of how we create, consume, and interact with the world around us. The impact of three-dimensional printing is evident across a vast spectrum of human endeavors. In manufacturing, it's ushering in an era of unprecedented customization, agility, and efficiency, allowing companies to produce complex parts on demand, reduce waste, and respond nimbly to evolving market demands. In medicine, it's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in personalized healthcare, from custom-designed prosthetics and implants that restore mobility to the tantalizing prospect of bio-printed organs that could one day eliminate transplant waiting lists. Section 2. Shaping the future, one layer at a time. The future of three-dimensional printing is as exciting as it is vast, brimming with possibilities that promise to further transform our world. As the technology continues to evolve, becoming more accessible, affordable, and versatile, its impact will only deepen, touching more aspects of our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. This future will be shaped by ongoing innovation, driven by the relentless pursuit of new materials, printing techniques, and applications. One of the most promising frontiers in three-dimensional printing is the development of new materials with tailored properties. Imagine printing with materials that are stronger yet lighter than ever before, capable of withstanding extreme temperatures or resisting corrosion. Envision printing with biocompatible materials that integrate seamlessly with the human body, opening up new possibilities for regenerative medicine and personalized healthcare. Section 3. Embracing the possibilities. The journey of three-dimensional printing, from its humble beginnings as a prototyping tool to its current status as a transformative technology, is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. As we stand at the cusp of this technological revolution, it's imperative that we embrace its possibilities with both enthusiasm and a sense of responsibility. The democratization of manufacturing, fueled by three-dimensional printing, empowers individuals to become creators, not just consumers. This newfound ability to design and produce our own products has the potential to unleash a wave of creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship, leading to the creation of new industries, products, and solutions to global challenges. Imagine a world where anyone with an idea and access to a three-dimensional printer can bring that idea to life, transforming themselves from passive consumers into active creators. If you're as excited as we are about the possibilities of 3D printing, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into cutting-edge technology. Like this video and drop a comment below with your thoughts. What do you think the future holds for 3D printing? Your engagement not only fuels our passion to bring you more insightful content, but also helps build a community of like-minded individuals who are eager to explore the frontiers of innovation. Let's shape the future together, one layer at a time. Stay curious, stay creative, and as always, keep imagining the impossible.